you see some funny things on the Missouri roads. There's a registration features outside the boat shop. You walk right through and there's a great big flamingos. You don't see visions like this every day. Outside a live bait shop.
Daddy's bait shop. A lot of bait. Big bags.
Well, and you can also get your worms and crickets and other stuff there. Oh, goldfish too.
Live bait and cold drinks. Worms, minnows.
Thanks for watching.